It's week 165, and yeah, another lick similar to last week in the sense of it's quite mellow and stuff like that. So enough with the stuttering. The lick coming up. There you have it, that was your lick. So as you can tell, it's the same lick backing track as last week. Nearly said the same lick then, which it's not. And it's using the same pentatonic and the same sort of Dorian-esque scale or notes added into what we've already got going on. So it's basically pentatonic with an extra couple of notes added in. So yeah, that basically is it. So for those that are interested, the backing track will be coming up at the end of this video. And also the links for the full backing track are in that description below as usual, and also the social media stuff. So please come along, say hi, check out what's going on with Patreon and all that. Exciting. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to leave you the breakdown now. Here it is. With this one, you've got a straightforward slide from the 3rd string, 5th fret to the 7th fret, straight onto the 2nd string on the 6th fret. So you get, and then you leave that ringing and hanging with some nice vibrato on top. Once you've done that, we've got a hammer-on pull-off. So it's basically 7th fret. Try and take note of the fingers I'm using. So it's hammer on from hammer on from 5 to 6, pull off back to the 5, and then pull off to the 3. So then you've got, that's all on the 2nd string by the way, then you've got the 5th fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, cross to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string, so you get hammer on to the 4th fret on that 3rd string, and then it's the 5th fret on the 4th string. So back to the 3 on the 3rd string, and then you slide in the 5 up to fret 7 on the 3rd string as well, obviously. And then you've got fret 6 on the 2nd string, fret 5 on the 1st string, sliding into fret 6 on that 1st string, then it's 8 on the 2nd string, pull off to fret 6, and then it's fret 7 on the 3rd string, fret 6 on the 2nd, and slide that up to fret 8. And that is the end of the lick. It's quite a short one, but it's quite tasty. So let me play it for you slowly. So it goes 3, 4, and... Excellent, thanks very much, cheers for watching, I hope you enjoy this lick, and remember, Patreon page coming up very soon, social media stuff in that description below, and check out the other videos that I do as well, so I'll see you all soon. Laters, bye.